Hi, this is DoorBird Technical Support. I'm going to show you how to set up party mode. Party mode is very useful if you only have one set of wires going from your gate operator to your DoorBird relay, but you also need to set up the programming so that the gate will hold open and then will close permanently so that you trigger it, it'll stay open, and then you trigger it again to close, aka party mode. Quickest way to get to this instruction manual is to Google DoorBird Party Mode. This page will pop up. Please note that it says D1812. This actually works for all DoorBirds. It's just the branding here says D1812. So we're going to open up our generator. So this will open to a new page. And we're going to grab our administrator username. Selection is relay 1. Installation mode is normally open. This is correct for gates. We're going to generate our URLs. These are our URLs we're going to put into the DoorBird application. Party start and party stop. So now let's jump over to our DoorBird application. We're going to log in. It's much easier to do this on a laptop or a desktop than trying to do it in your DoorBird application. So we're going to go to favorites and we're going to go to HTTPS calls. We're going to hit add, call this party start. And this is the copy and pasted URL that we just generated. We're going to hit save. And we're going to add party stop. And we're going to hit save. All right, so now our party start and stopped are saved in the favorites section under URLs. We're going to go to our keypad settings. We're going to hit add. We can give it any type of 48-digit code that we want. We're going to select validation type weekly. Great, that means 24/7 by default. Our schedule for actions is going to actually not be a push notification. This is for the MDU units that I'm programming for. It's going to be the HTTPS call, party start. So we're going to highlight this schedule for party start keypad code. We're going to hit back and save. We're going to create a new code. This is for party stop. Schedule for actions. Please bear with me. This is because I'm using an emulator. You will not see this in the DoorBird application. Party stop. Going to fill that in. Going to hit back. And we're going to hit save. So now we have two keypad codes set for party start and party stop. So those keypad codes will trigger that gate to open, and you will need to trigger that other code you created for the gate to close. But there's another step that we need to do. We need to add it into the DoorBird application live video feed. So we're going to save our changes. Go back. We're going to pick our app user account. You will need to do this on each device that you want party mode to work for on the phone on the DoorBird application. So now we're going to go, it's in the smart locks section. And it is under the custom URL call. Party start. This is party start. save. Okay. And now we're going to go back and we're going to go to smart locks. Or first we're going to save the changes. We're going to go back. And we're going to add the second call. We're going to save. Now we have party start and party stop. So now let's go to this live video feed. Okay, great. This is our office. This is the video feed. This would be unique, of course, to your customer when they're looking through the DoorBird. They're going to hit the key icon here. And now they have party start, party stop. So when they start, that's going to trigger the relay and it's just going to hold open. When they hit party stop, that will hold close.